We have already learned about quadratic equation and the general form of quadratic equation. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on quadratic equation. So the first question is, check whether the following equations are quadratic equations. And they have given you one equation, x plus 1 the whole square equal to 2x minus 3. We know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. An equation involving the variable whose highest degree is 2 is called as quadratic equation. So we will check this, we will simplify this equation. So x plus 1 the whole square is in the form of a plus b the whole square, and we know a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So same way we can expand this, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. Now bring everything to the left hand side. Minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Plus 2x and minus 2x cancel. Plus 1 and plus 3 is plus 4. So equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And we know that in quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. b and c can be 0. So here b is not there, that is x term is not there, coefficient of x is not there, even then this is a quadratic equation. Now the second question is x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So we'll just open the bracket and simplify this, x square plus 3x plus 1. Again this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. And we know a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I can open the bracket, x square minus 4x plus 4. Now see, x square and x square we can cancel and bring everything to the one side. 3x plus 1 plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. 7x minus 3 equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation because the degree of the variable involved in it is not 2, or you can say this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and so this is not a quadratic equation. We can say that here a is missing, the term with x square is missing, so this is not a quadratic equation. So if you see it, you cannot say that whether it is quadratic equation or not. You have to simplify it, then only you can say whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Now the third one, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. Seeing this, you may think it is not quadratic equation because the degree of the variable involved in this equation is 3. But let's simplify this and then we will check whether it is quadratic equation or not. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Now right side is in the form of a minus b the whole cube, and a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So I can write the right hand side now, x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square minus 2 cube, which is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 4 into 3 12x minus 8, and the left side is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. See, x cube and x cube you can cancel. Now you can bring everything to one side. Minus 4x square minus x plus 1 plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 equal to 0. So 6x square minus 4x square is 2x square minus 13x plus 9. So this is a quadratic equation. The degree of the variable involved in this is 2. And also this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So you need to simplify it, then only we can say whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Looking at the equation we cannot say. Now let us represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. First question is, area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So we need not solve this, just we have to frame the quadratic equation. So for that, since it is a rectangular plot and they have given that area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. We know area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So length into breadth is given as 528 meters square. Let us take the breadth as x, because length is depending on the breadth. Now we will write what is length. The length of the plot is 1 more than means plus symbol, twice its breadth. Twice means 2 times breadth. So 1 plus 2x is the breadth. Now we will frame the equation. Area is length into breadth, that is 1 plus 2x into x is equal to 528 meters square. Or we can write x into 1 plus 2x equal to 528. Now we will open the bracket. X plus 2x square is equal to 528. Or if you write in the standard form, we can bring everything to the one side. 2x square minus 528. This is plus 528. When you take to the other side, it will become minus 528. If you write in the standard form, this is 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So this is how we will represent our situation in quadratic equation. Now the product of two consecutive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So let the integers be x and x plus 1. So why I am taking as x and x plus 1? Because it is given that two consecutive integers. So let the integers be x and x plus 1. If it is 2 and 3, 2 and 2 plus 1. So if it is x, x and x plus 1. So now it is given that product of two consecutive integers. Product means multiplication. X plus 1 is 306. Or x into x plus 1 is 306. When you open the bracket, x square plus x equal to 306. Or x square plus x, bring that 306 to the other side, it is minus 306. So x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Next question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So we will let Rohan's present age be x. Rohan's present age be x. Because Rohan's mother's age is depending on Rohan. And they have given Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So Rohan's mother's age is 26 years older means x plus 26. Now the product of their ages 3 years from now means after 3 years Rohan's age will be, after 3 years Rohan's age will be x plus 3. Same way, after 3 years Rohan's mother age will be x plus 26 plus 3. So mother age also will increase x plus 29. Now the condition they have given is the product of their age is 360. So product of their age is 360 means x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. So we need to frame this now. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3. So which is equal to 87. Bring that 360 to the other side. So we have x square plus 29x plus 3x, which is 32x, minus 273 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So next question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed if the speed had been at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out speed of the train. So let the speed of the train we will take as x. Speed of train be x. Now we know the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. We have studied this formula in the smaller classes. Now the distance they have given as 480. So the distance is 480. Speed we have taken as x km per hour. Now they have given here the train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So when it was traveling 480 km at a uniform speed, this is the time taken. Now if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, that means if it is 8 km per hour less means x minus 8. So it will take more time, minus, so then it would have taken 3 hours more. 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So this is the equation. 480 divided by x minus 8. When the speed is less, it will take more time. When it is x km per hour, we don't know the time. So when you subtract this, they are telling it would take 3 hours more. Now you need to find out the LCM. You need to make it in the form of standard quadratic equation. So when you take the LCM, 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3 divided by x into x minus 8. So which is equal to, so 480x minus 480x minus into minus plus 480 into 8, 32, 32 plus 6 is 38. So it is 3840 equal to 3x into x minus 8. Now, so when you simplify, this will get cancelled. 3840 equal to 3x square minus 24x. So we can write in standard form 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. So this is how you write in the standard quadratic form. Thank you for watching my video.